Hey there, welcome to your practice. In this short session, we will be tapping into the fire element. Please close your eyes if that feels good, taking a moment to notice where you are right now, mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually. Just notice. Placing your hands in Agni Mudra, bringing your hands into fists, pointing the thumbs up. Breathing here, settling in, making a promise to yourself to only do what feels good for your body today, knowing that it's okay to push yourself, but to really tap into what your limits are in each and every moment. Visualizing and connecting to your inner fire in the solar plexus area, just above the belly and below the diaphragm. We'll begin to stoke this internal fire with the breath, with Viloma Pranayama. Bringing your arms by your sides like robot arms, bent at 90-degree angles at the elbows. We'll inhale 1/3 and hold. Inhale 2/3, hold. Inhale 3/3, hold. And then exhale all the way down. Inhale 1/3. Inhale 2/3. Inhale 3/3, and all the way down. Continuing at your own pace, pausing all the way up, breaking that inhale into 3 parts and exhaling smooth all the way out. Beautiful. Keep going, maybe a little slower than I'm doing here. Perfect. And when you feel that's complete, place your hands back onto your knees in Agni Mudra, noticing the effects of that pranayama. Taking a cleansing breath or two, and then placing one hand onto your solar plexus. You can either begin with breath of fire, Kapalabhati, or just continue to breathe deeply in through the nose and out through the nose. If you're doing breath of fire, you are gently pumping the lower belly, not focusing on the inhale. That'll happen naturally. So just focusing on the exhale. Then you can exhale all the way out when you've had enough. Come back to a regular breath. Breathe. Notice. Perhaps a cleansing breath or two. Feel free to do that again if it resonates, if it feels good in the body. Alternatively, you can hold and breathe, visualizing that internal fire. Good. Take a cleansing breath after that round if you joined me. Notice. Lower your head slightly and start to bring some movement into the body. The shoulders and the head. Taking a moment to promise yourself while you're here moving to really listen to your emotional state today. As we tap into these more fiery elements, you may experience heightened emotions. So please only explore these emotions as it feels good today. Beautiful. Getting into some twisting movements here, bringing the alternate hands to the alternate sides and then sweeping the arms up and overhead, bringing it into the side body, making sure to breathe and find some stillness back into center as you make your way onto your hands and knees. Beautiful. Curl the toes under, lift the hips up and back, moving right into our first downward facing dog. Again, building some heat in today's practice. Placing those knuckles firmly into the mat to bring the pressure out of the wrists. Slowly come down onto the hands and knees and inhale, look out in front of you. Exhale, round the back. Inhale, look out, point the tailbone up. Exhale, round, point the tailbone down. Good. Keep moving like this with your breath, breathing in through the nose and out through the nose, or in through the nose and out through the mouth if you need a release. Great. Stretch out the wrists a little bit and make your way back up into your downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Forward to plank and then hips up and back, down dog. Forward to plank, navel towards the spine, up and back, down dog. Good. Forward and back. Forward. Good, and back. Are you getting warm? Awesome job. Forward. We're almost there, and back. Nice. And then walk the feet forward towards the hands. Bring your feet as wide as your mat. Lengthen the spine and then fold forward. Knees can be bent here in this forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift as you twist open. Intuitive movements here. Don't stress about making it a perfect yoga pose. We're opening, we're twisting. Now you don't have to have your hand on the ground. You could have your hand on your knee or your shin. Make these movements your own. Beautiful. Open. Open. Yes. Hold in stillness here. Let's stoke that fire. Breathe. Reach the heart forward. You got this. Might as well do Agni Mudra with the thumbs and the hands. Yes. Good. Continuing to breathe. And then push yourself up. Arms reach up. Feels good to come out of that, doesn't it? And hands to your heart. Place one hand onto your solar plexus, one hand onto your heart center, and breathe. Ground down. It's so important to stay grounded in this fiery practice. Now feel free to stay there or move into breath of joy. Arms go forward, side, up, and exhale out. We're going to do 3. Inhale, 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 exhale. Good. Inhale, 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 exhale. Yes. Inhale, 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 exhale. Good. Keep going. Breathing. Yes. Awesome job. It's okay if you mess up the arms. Nobody's watching. It doesn't matter. It's okay if you laugh. Good job. Breathe. Yes. Good. Almost there. Hold. Notice. Hands can come on the body. Separate the feet if that feels more stable. How did that feel in your body on all levels? Connect, notice. Take some cleansing breaths. They feel really good after that. Moving up towards the front of your mat and back into our chair pose, Utkatasana, pushing the hips back and the knees back so that they're not coming forward past the toes. And moving into a twist again. Inhaling center, exhaling twist. Inhaling center, exhaling twist. Opposite hand to opposite knee. Bringing your hand to your hip as you open and roll the shoulder back. Yes, good job. And rise up, arms up. Exhale, arms down by the sides. Breathe. Good job. Now bring your right foot behind you, coming into a crescent warrior. You'll inhale, arms up, and exhale, twist to your left. Yes, keep moving just like that. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, twist. It's okay if you get wobbly. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands to the heart. Lean forward, step forward, holding that squat, that chair. Yes, stand up tall, arms by the sides. Beautiful. Stepping back with your left foot into your crescent warrior. Arms up as you inhale. Exhale, twist to the right. Continue going just like that. Good job. Explore this pose. Arms up. Hands to the heart. Lean forward. Step forward into your squat. Yes, lower down. Come on, you got it. Good job. Agni Mudra. Good. Stoking that internal fire. Maybe pulsing just for fun. Oh, maybe lifting the heels just for fun. Good job, yogi. Rise up, Urdhva Hastasana, and hands to your heart. Whew. Good job. Taking some breaths. Notice. Arms by the sides, palms open. Ground down. Shake it out. Shake it out. Would you work to the surface in that? Good. Find some silly movements here. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Swing the arms. Swing the hips. The sillier you feel, the better. Come on. Look at how silly I'm getting here. I know you can get it at least a little bit silly with me. Nice job, yogi. Good. Find some stillness. And then separate your feet. Hands to the body. Slow it down. Slow down the heart rate. What is your body telling you? Yes, come into a forward fold. Your arms might be dangling, might grab your opposite elbows. What is your body wanting in this moment? And bend your knees a little bit so you can tip your pelvis forward. If you'd rather not fold all the way forward, you can keep your torso parallel to the ground if that would feel better. Slowing it down energetically, physically. Inhale, halfway lift, walk the feet in. Exhale, hands to your hips. And inhale, rise all the way up. Holding here, hands on the body. Listen. What is your body telling you? Nice. Heel toe the feet towards each other. Make your way up to the front of your mat. Lowering down if it feels okay on the knees into a yogi squat and then all the way down. I know that can be very challenging, so just come down to seated yogi. Nice. Leaning back slightly for a navasana, boat pose. Just engaging the core one final time. You got this. Yes. Crossing the legs and inhale, arch. Exhale, round, cat-cow, seated. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Yes. Keep going. Work with your breath. Make any primal sounds that want to come out. Pull the flesh away from the sitting bones. Find some gentle rocking movements, soothing your body, your nervous system, your mind. Explore these intuitive movements. Let your body speak to you through these movements. Place your hands on your body, calming everything down, calming that fire, inviting some water in here, some earth. Good. Find some stillness. Palms open on the knees. Releasing any last bits of energy that would like to float away, that you worked up to the surface, let it go. Nice. Moving into a cooling breath. If you can put your tongue into a little taco shape, you can inhale through that straw that your tongue is making. Exhale through the nose. Inhale through that little straw that your tongue is making. Exhale through the nose. If you can't roll the tongue, no worries. Just breathe in and out through the nose. This is Sitali Pranayama. Doing a couple more rounds if it feels good. Bringing coolness to the body. And then notice, take a cleansing breath. Slowly making your way onto your back. Bending your knees, feet on the floor, walking your feet a little bit further forward than your fingertips can reach, lifting your hips into a bridge, Arms can be in those robot arms again, rolling the shoulders under the back, keeping the navel drawn towards the spine to protect the low back. Breathing in your bridge. Good. Slowly lower down. Drawing your knees in towards the chest, maybe even bringing your forehead towards your knees, curling into a ball. Extend your legs straight out, coming into our final resting portion of this practice, shavasana. Allowing your body to be heavy and relaxed, allowing any images, any messages, anything that needs to bubble up to the surface, allow it to come up and let go. How you're feeling in this moment, thanking yourself for doing this practice as you bring movement into the body. Good job. Full body stretch might feel great here. Yogi, thank you so much for practicing with me today. Please let me know how you feel in the comments and what you enjoyed about this practice. Have an amazing day.